I am Chef Tej, and I will be teaching you how to make simple, fresh, homemade pancakes. First, you need to get out all your measuring equipment and your Aunt Jemima pancake mix and reduced fat milk and extra virgin olive oil and an egg and 2 stirring things and this giant bowl. Now you're going to have to put 1 cup of Aunt Jemima pancake mix into the bowl. This is hard. It's heavy. It's heavy. And now you need to pour it into the bowl. Now you need 3/4 cup of milk. And get your milk there. Now you need 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now your last ingredient is 1 egg. And you have to crack the egg. Now you have to mix up your stuff. And make sure there's no lumps left and it looks like this. Perfect. Now you're going to turn your stove to medium, or if you have an electric one, do 375. Now you're going to put some canola oil into your pan. Now you're going to turn your light on and your fan. Now you need to bring your mix into the kitchen. Now pour 1/4 cup of your batter onto the pan and keep doing that until you're out of batter. And now you're going to turn over your pancakes when they start bubbling. Now you need a cup and some maple syrup. And pour how many amount you want in your cup of syrup, but I think that's enough. Now you put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. Now we're going to put your pancakes in the dining room, ready to eat. Now you take out your maple syrup from the microwave and put it on your plate. Don't forget to tune in weekly to see new videos straight from Chef Tej's kitchen. Lunch coming soon.